Hi everybody, it's Amalia and I'm here today with the House Mouse collaboration for 2021. Every month on the first of each month for this collaboration, we're posting our projects, themed projects. For the example, for the month of June, it's red, white, and blue. And this is a collaboration hosted by Deb Hauk from Deb Hauk's Crafty Cottage. And this is my project. This is one of my favorites of the ones that I've done recently. And I love it because of its simplicity and because of the flag that's wrapped around the mice. I just love the patriotic symbolism of it all. And I really just like the simplicity of these washi tape stars. This is a roll of washi tape. I got this from Michael's in a roll of other rolls of washi tape that had silver in them, and it's a paper-backed tape, and I just took a Stampin' Up! Punch that I had and went through the tape and punched out a bunch of stars. Let's see if I can do it for you. There you go. And so I pulled the paper off of the stars and just stuck them around the card, cut off the extra from the edges, and that's pretty much it. This is what kind of watercolor paper is this? This is probably a Strathmore watercolor paper. I used my watercolor paints. This is from Prang, the one that I typically use. And because the colors here were so basic, I didn't even dip into any of my other colors except for this one right here, which is a Daniel Smith. This is a tester card for Daniel Smith, and I used this blue in the background. It's a staining blue, so I couldn't pick up extra pigment on it to make something like clouds in the background, but that was fine. I used all the other colors here, which is the red, the blue, and brown, and I made some grays and some other browns out of this palette as well. So that's the project for this month, and long live House Mouse. I love House Mouse. I think I might switch it up and start doing some Copic coloring, because I haven't reached into my Copics for a while. But again, this is a collab, so take a look at the description bar below and check out all the other collabers. Please leave a thumbs up if you like my patriotic mice. And if you had a nice Memorial Day, and I hope you did, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate you stopping by, everybody. Bye!